Hi everyone, welcome back to Smarty Plans Shop YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Bea as usual, and today I am going to show you another one of my digital planner creations. So I finished this one recently and it's a 2021 planner. So I opened Goodnotes and now it's this one right here. So as I mentioned, it is a 2021 planner and it's called the Skinny Vertical. This is the front page. You have a few post-its here to write quick notes or notes that are important and you want to see right away. It also has many clickable links or tabs, and you can click on any of them and it's going to take you to the corresponding page. If I swipe the page here, this is the first page of the planner. You can write down who this planner belongs to, so you can write down your name. And then here's a little quote to motivate you throughout the year. You also have some blank paper here to write down quick notes as well. You can click on any of these tabs and it's going to take you to the corresponding page. So I'm going to start with these ones right here. Let me click on the year tab. Here you have the year at a glance. So you have all of your months here with clickable weeks. So you can click on any of the weeks and it's going to take you to the page. And then here you have some space for planning your year, important dates or birthdays. So if I click on the goals page, here you can plan your yearly goals. So you have a few prompts to organize your goals for the year. You have the space to make a vision board to keep yourself focused and inspired by looking at it. If I click on any of these, for example, personal goals or career goals, so let me click on number 1, it's going to take me to a goal process page for that goal. So here it says personal goal or project number 1. You can write down and develop your goal. Really, really useful to organize your goals. So let me go back to the goal page. So I can click on goal 2 and it takes me to goals to that goal to develop it. And the same for the career goals. Goal number 1, and then they follow each other anyways. All right, so that's the goal section. If I go to the to-do, here I have a quick list to write down your to-dos. And there's also here, when you click on this tab, here this tab appears. So let me go back to the goals. There's no daily tab. It's only when you click on the to-do. So this is a daily to-do list. You can write down the date, the must-dos. So if you could only do 3 things today, what would they be? The should-dos. What should you do maybe that you're not going to be able to do? And a few post-its to write an appointment if you had an appointment that day, and a few notes. All right, so you can duplicate this page, of course, as many times as you need. Okay, so finally, here we have all the monthly tabs as well as the notebook tabs. So let me go to, for example, April. So this is the monthly page for April in this case. You can write down the things that you have to do for each day if you want. Here you can see that it says week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. You can click on any of this and it's going to take you to that corresponding week. In the monthly page, in every monthly page, you also have your must do, your should do's, and a monthly habits trackers. So here you can write down what the habit is and cross every day that you do it or not. So also, just like it happens with the to-do section, when you click on any of the months, these little tabs show up. So I'm going to show you each of the tabs. For example, in August, I can click here and it's going to take me to my mood tracker, sleep tracker, and the monthly gratitude tracker. So 1 line a day. You can do your affirmation and gratitude or just whichever you choose. And then your sleep tracker for the whole month. Every day of the month, you can write down a little bit of information about your sleeping habits. And then the mood tracker, you can put emojis here to represent the mood. All right, so that's August, and this is the smiley face trackers. Then let's go to the weight tracker. So this is obviously the fitness. You have your fitness goals here. You can write down your meal plan, your workout tracker for the month. You can track whether you exercised or not, for example. Body measurements, and then the progress selfie if you want to take a picture and see how you're slimming down. Here you can also see next to the meal plan, it says groceries. I can click here and it takes you to the grocery list. So you can plan out your meals and then plan your grocery list based on the meals that you plan for the month. So now the last tracker page is the financial tracker. Here you can write down 3 financial goals, your expenses for the month, the total amount, your monthly bills, and then a little income table, and then finally the savings. All right, so that's the financial tracker, and it's the same for every month. So they each have their own page for every month. Okay, so let me go back to a monthly page. So we've seen the trackers for every month. So now let's go to the weekly page. And this is how every weekly page looks for the month. So it's broken down in hourly tasks. You're in week 1, you can click here, it takes you to week 2, here week 4, etc., etc. So, okay, that's how that's organized. Now let's go to the notebook section. So let's click, for example, section 1. You're right now in section 1's blank page. You can go to, for example, grid pages, dot grid, lined. And for each section is the same. They each have their own set of tabs. So you can organize your notes really neatly. So the last thing, it's clicking on the rings. It takes you to the cover page. And this is the skinny vertical planner for 2021 that I just recently finished. And it's going to be in the store probably right when you're watching this video. So check it out at the store. It's Smarty Plan Shop on Etsy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And to see more content like this, follow this channel. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video that I'm going to be making right after this one. Another 2021 planner. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See ya.